Welcome to Yachting Hub Miami, the yacht, boat, and cruise spotter channel. Today's video from Barcelona, Spain. Come with me and check out some of the largest yachts that I saw on this day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember that I'm a small channel and I need your support. So if you like what I'm doing, please leave a comment below and always give us a thumbs up. Also, let me know what do you think about this location and the video. So thanks again, and I will see you at the end of the video. Have a great day. Well guys, this is the video for now. I hope you liked it. So once again, please leave a comment below if you can. Always a thumbs up, and let me know if you want me to keep doing more of these type of videos. So for now, thanks again. I'll see you pretty soon with another video from another location on my latest trip to Europe. Also, remember that you can see here more of the Miami boat action almost uploaded daily. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care.